So I've always had a creative side to me, and my day job doesn't really let me bring that out there very often. So I've always contemplated, side businesses that I might be able to do. But they were always something that was too much time with, a day job and kids and a husband and all the things. So I saw the advertisement for the course and I listened to one of the descriptions of it. And I thought that it was something that I could kind of fit in here and there and be able to do and then develop my own business from there. And, if I wanted to grow it in the future to some of those other ideas I had come up with, that might be, the income that I could use to move that way. So I took the course. I had never done any SVG designing before. I now think I'm pretty good at figuring it out based off of all the course lessons and things. And when I get stuck, I can go back and review the various lessons. And there's constantly new ones being added to the course, which I think is great to help learn new avenues and new things that are popping up. And I now have an Etsy shop and, have made, I think I'm up to 30 sales since October. So, I don't know, how many months is that? 6-ish. So I think the more and more designs I get up, the more sales I'll get, and just have to keep going to be able to get to where I want to have that extra income and maybe a little less of my day job.
Awesome. So how many hours do you put into your business right now?
Depends on the week how busy I am at that, but I would say anywhere usually from 4 to 10, sometimes a little more if I have the time.